In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a video into your Squarespace site using an embed block. This method is perfect if you're working with videos hosted on platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get the embed code for the video you want to feature on your website. Head over to the video on its hosting site, be it YouTube, Vimeo, or another platform, and look for the Share or Embed option. This is typically found below the video player or on the videos page itself. Click on that option to reveal the iframe code. This embed code is what's going to allow us to display the video on your Squarespace page, so go ahead and copy that code to your clipboard. With your embed code ready, navigate back to Squarespace and open the page where you want the video to appear. The goal here is to incorporate an embed block into your layout. To do this, look for the option to add a new block. It should be accessible while you're in edit mode on your Squarespace page. Once you've located the embed block option, select it to add a new block to your page. In the field provided, paste the embed code you copied earlier. This step is crucial as it forms the connection between your Squarespace page and the video hosted externally. Now, when I mention adjusting aspect ratio, what we're aiming for is a presentation format that fits your web page design and intended viewing experience. In your embed code, you'll notice details specifying width and height. By default, this is often set for a standard rectangular aspect ratio, like 16:9. Let's say you want a more vertical presentation format, similar to 9:16. For example, your original iframe might read width 560 and height 300. We need to flip these numbers around to better fit a vertical dimension. So change them to width 350 and height 560. This alteration ensures the video displays vertically, tailoring the viewing experience to your preference or the design goals for the page. As we come to the home stretch, it's time to save your changes and lock in the new setup. Click Save on your embed block, and this will finalize your adjustments, displaying your perfectly sized vertical video right there on the page. Check your page to ensure everything looks as intended and the video's functionality remains intact. That wraps up our process for embedding a video using Squarespace's embed block while customizing its aspect ratio to fit a desired format. With these steps, integrating video content that's both visually appealing and functional on your site has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks in the world of web design.